What's up my beautiful people, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Matiko. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and today is an amazing day because I'm in the coast of Spain. Call it Valencia, Gandia. I'm in Gandia, and today I'm going to show you the night show walk. The night show walk here in the sea, and I hope that you're going to enjoy the video. So let's go, let's keep moving, and please remember to subscribe to my channel because that is one way of supporting your boy. So let's go, let's keep watching, enjoy your video, and remember to share. So stay with me, watch until the end, and press that like button. So let's go. Today we are here with my beautiful couple, and the sun is setting from right there. You can see beautiful sunset over there, and today we are just shooting a video to show you a beautiful walk of this area. Just a walk and just a sunset, and I believe and I know I'll be doing a lot of videos about this area so that you can get to see their beautiful big building, big hotels. You can see right behind of me I'm putting on the mascarilla because of course we are in pandemic, and we said how many days are we going to be here?
For a week.
Huh?
For a week.
For a week. We are going to be here for a week, so expect beautiful videos from this beautiful area. So I'm doing a sunset video for you to show you the sunset. Then I'll be shooting different videos to show you different parts of this beautiful Gandia.
You can imagine.
Mira.
Sí, sí.
Wow. Oh, let me see, no? Wow, wow, wow.
Ya. Ya no lo oía. Vamos, güey. Vamos, lado.
Wow, 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 wow. video. It's actually 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Actually, it's 9. Let me confirm. 9:39 at night. You know, that's a beautiful restaurant there, and in the left there is a cinema zone, and you can see there is a cinema zone, and of course there are places for kids to play. All right here. All right, this is the place for kids to play, and there is a cinema zone there. And of course, this place is so beautiful. The climate, the weather is so good. You can imagine how beautiful it is. So, all in all, I just want to make sure that you enjoy this video. Please do one favor for me. Please remember to share this video, because that is one way of supporting your boy. When see people there are waiting for their chosen movies, or you know, the películas and everything for them to watch. So I'm just going to the port here, and of course I hope I'll get the information that I need and to show it to you. So keep enjoying. Let's keep moving in this beautiful city. Right? There are a lot of people because it's holiday. Gandia is known as one of the most touristic sites in Spain. The coast of Spain actually is found in Valencia province. So let's get to see, let's get to know, let's get to enjoy the nightlife here in Gandia. Mucho cuidado, gimnasio, kickboxing.
Tantos como yo tengo apartamentos.
De green,
No, you
estas
can see.
de
Say
la
what?
mar. ¿Qué?
It's in English. Say, mira,
Where?
de las say.
Oh, safe bar.
Claro.
What? It's like como, pero the traffic light.
Pues sí, mira.
Forbidden bar.
Sí, sí, sí.
So this means when the flag is green, you can swim. yellow, you take precautions, and when it's red, you don't have to swim because the water is dangerous. A lot of waves, heavy waves. So thank you so much for joining. See you next time. My name is Chef Matiko. I'm signing out. Adios.